All right, so I think we're at what video 4 or 5, right? From this,
Yeah.
this is the championship one that Ireland was tearing apart, and he cleaned all the parts in the previous videos. In the last video, we showed that we did the we had the parts powder coated, the motor plates, chassis, and the nose. Now we've got everything on, and we're doing the white and black theme, and it looks phenomenal. I mean, the powder coating turned out awesome. And this is a runner. This isn't going to be a shelf queen. Right now it's the black shock towers we cut on the CNC, but we're going to do natural, the G10 natural green, to give it more of a vintage look and give it more contrast with the white. I think it'll look pretty awesome. There's the back with the stealth. We rebuilt the stealth also. But yeah, you could just see how nice the finish turned out on it, top and bottom. And but that's disassembled with the trans and the arms and the shock towers for now. Hold it this way in the back. Get a profile like that. Yeah, that's good light. So you could see what it looks like, the contrast with the black and white. But I really think these look good with the green. On the next one we're gonna do, the other one, the 85. Ireland's got an 85, a true 85. We got the box and everything. We're gonna do that either white or blue, kind of like reverse colors of everything. And it may just have the 6 gear. We have one with a 6 gear that runs really smooth. Actually, we have a couple of those, so I feel comfortable with running that. A 17 brushless and that 75, and that was fine. So, but that's the update to having the arms, the shock towers on, just to give you the contrast overall, what it looks like. What do you guys think? Looks good? I think so. I mean, obviously, we're not original. The only person that's ever done white powder coating, but it's turning out the way we wanted, the way we expected. And the only thing is we can't find that felt piece that goes between the trans and the motor plate. And I don't think it really matters, but we just want to try to keep from stuff getting in there, because it stops it from, stuff getting in there. So we'll make something either out of foam. We got a laser, so maybe we'll laser something out there. So part 4 or 5 of the championship edition. Excited? Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And if you want to see anything, let me know as usual. All right, later.